Green? Wait, aren't dogs colorblind?
What if we sew the dog's head onto the man's body?
Great idea!
Make it, do it, makes us
Dogman!
taller, better, faster, stronger.
This super cop made friends, solves crimes, and even plays piano for the old folks.
Enough about this dog man. It's time to stop this super cop. He's not going to ruin my evil plans to destroy all do-gooders.
How evil can one cat be?
Pretty evil! Ha ha ha!
Dogman, listen up. You're the only one that can stop him. With all your kung fu skills and your canine fortitude or whatnot. No time to waste. Cut it out. Stop it. Now you get out of here. Go and arrest Petey, and I don't care if it takes a montage.
Buckle up!
Dogman, you only have one job to do. Keep your eyes on those monitors. So if somebody breaks out your favorite chew toy and waves it around, you look at the monitors. And if somebody just happens to have an Eastern gray squirrel, you look at the monitor.
Dogman. Tonight on HBO Hits.